Hi, I'm Barbara Levin, past president of the American Association of Legal Nurse Consultants, and together with my friend Pat Iyer, we are hosting our 11th virtual LNC Success Conference, February 27, 28, and March 1, 2025. Our website is LNC.tips/February 2025 virtual. I'm here to tell you that you can turn your dreams of becoming a legal nurse consultant or even expanding your current legal nurse business into more business. You will learn about attracting the ideal clients, developing marketing strategies, and much more from the comforts of your own home or even your office. I'm here to mention that we are going to have a compelling session called Preventing Medical Errors, Risk Management, and Quality Assurance Strategies to Mitigate Litigation. The seasoned experts, Irene Nobles, MSN, RN, HCRM, and Diane Honeygosky, BSN, RN, CLNC, are going to take you behind the scenes of an adverse medical event, as well as much more. Diane Honeygosky is an experienced nurse with over 37 years in the healthcare system. Since 2002, she's worked at a designated level 1 trauma center and stroke and cardiac center in the emergency room. She has worked in the ER Quality Assurance Department since 2016. Irene Nobles is an experienced nurse executive with over 3 decades of healthcare experience, having expertise in clinical risk and regulatory compliance in long-term care, acute, post-acute, physical rehab settings. Both Diane and Irene have authored a chapter in Pat Iyer's Medical Record Analysis, a Guide for Attorneys by Experts, LNC's Volume 2. You can get it on Amazon. So I'm here today to discuss with both of you, Diane and Irene, about your topic. And if you could share with our audience a little bit more about your presentation. Diane?
Thank you, Barbara, and thank you, Pat Iyer, for inviting Irene and I to speak at this conference. I have actually been a part of these conferences for the past few years and couldn't be more grateful for finding this LNC community. The amount of knowledge that I've gained for my business has been both overwhelming and essential. As a novice business owner, Barbara and Pat, you've both been vital to my success, and I mean that wholeheartedly. Speaking of our topic regarding risk management and quality assurance, involves processes that are always evolving. So there's no real way to eliminate every risk that, a medical error can occur. And there's just no way for that to happen. But we as healthcare workers, we try to mitigate this as much as humanly possible. But that being said, errors do still occur. And we will speak about how these medical errors do occur. And some of these considerations, they can include the clinical environments. They can include staffing, whether it's low, whether it's inexperience, workarounds, breaches in protocols, communication breakdowns, system failures. We'll also review some reasons behind the errors. I will also go over, with my quality assurance background, I review Epic EMR, and I will show you some places in the EMR system where you can find some additional documentation that you may not get in your records when you're reviewing them, that if you do suspect that there's something missing, that these are places that you can look and alert the attorney that these are places to find these items. So both plaintiff and defense counsel can consider these during discovery, and they can also use these whenever they are considering either in deposing healthcare workers or prepping for deposition of a healthcare worker. Some of these items can be very enlightening. We'll also explain how these incidents are reported and investigated. Some errors aren't initially found or known in real time. This is where quality assurance plays a very important role. Now, when I was starting out in nursing, I had no idea what the role of risk management was, and nor did I even have any idea that quality assurance even existed.
I am so excited to attend your session and learn about more of the golden nuggets. That's what I'm hearing from both of you, and the pearls of wisdom that will be shared. So for all of you who are looking to be a legal nurse consultant or perhaps expanding your business, this is quite the session to attend. This is going to be compelling, filled with lots of great information that you'll be able to utilize in your own practice. So if you are looking to expand your practice, gain more knowledge, insight, and so much more from these very experienced and talented speakers, and they are both experts, then please join us February 27, 28, and March 1, 2025. So if you go to the website, LNC.tips/February 2025 virtual. We look forward to seeing you.